Welcome to my YouTube channel, Unique Classes. Today, in this session, I am going to discuss lollipop method to solve the problems on differentiation. If the problem is of the type y equal to f of x raised to the power g of x, then to find the dy by dx of this function, we use this super trick. That is dy by dx equals to f of x power g of x as it is inside the bracket, that is the power divided by the base, that is g of x divided by f of x into the differentiation of this function, that is f dash of x plus log of the given function into the differentiation of the power. So let me take one example to explain this concept in better manner. So the problem is, if y equal to tan x to the power sin x, then dy by dx is. If you apply the traditional method, it will take 5 minutes to solve this problem. You can use this short trick to arrive the answer in few seconds. So the problem is y equal to tan x to the power sin x, where sin x is g of x and tan x is f of x. To find dy by dx, what I need to do? I have to write the given function as it is, that is tan x to the power sin x as it is inside the bracket, the power divided by base, that is sin x divided by tan x into f dash of x, that is the differentiation of the given function, that is what is the differentiation of tan x, that is secant square x plus log of f of x. Log of f of x is tan x into g dash of x. What is the g dash of x? Differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is the final answer. Let me take one more example of the similar type to explain this concept still more clearly. That if the function is y equal to log x to the power sin x plus 1 by x raised to x, then dy by dx is. So in this case also we have to differentiate these two functions separately and put the middle sign as it is. Okay, so to differentiate, I will write dy by dx equals to, by applying this formula, what is the answer for this log x raised to sin x? I will keep function as it is, log x raised to sin x inside the bracket, power sin x divided by log x. Next, f dash of x. F of x is log x. What is the value of f dash of x? That is 1 by x plus log of f of x. Log of f of x will be log of log x into g dash of x, that is cos x. This is about the first function. After that, put the middle sign as it is, that is plus. I will write it here, that is, so the given function as it is 1 by x to the power x as it is. Next, inside the bracket, the power x divided by the base 1 by x into f dash of x. So our f of x is 1 by x.
So what is the value of differentiation of 1 by x? Minus 1 divided by x square. Next, plus log of f of x. Log of f of x is log of 1 by x into differentiation of the g of x. That is differentiation of x 1. You can simplify still more. So that will be is equals to log x raised to sin x as it is. You can write sin x divided by x log x plus log of log x into cos x plus 1 by x raised to x. So this goes to the numerator, will get multiplied with x, becomes x square. See that x square and this x square will get cancels. So what remains in the bracket is minus 1 plus log of 1 by x. That's all. This is the final answer.
Let's begin with the fourth example, that is if y is equals to x raised to log x plus log x to the power x, then dy by dx is. In this case also we have to differentiate separately and put the middle sign as it is. So if I differentiate, what you will get, dy by dx is equals to x raised to log x into the power, that is log x divided by the base into f dash of x. F dash of x is equals to 1. Next, plus log of f of x. F of x is x into g dash of x, that is 1 divided by x. You can simplify this. There is no such simplification. So x raised to log x as it is, log x divided by x, because 1 into anything is equal to the same, and log x divided by x. This is the final answer. Consider one more example of the similar type. If y is equals to x to the power x cube plus 2 plus x plus 2 raised to x cube. See, these types of questions you will get in the JEE mains exams. JEE mains exams. So you should solve it very carefully by using this super trick. So what is the dy by dx? In this case also we have to differentiate separately by using the short trick and put the middle sign. So if I differentiate this function, what is the answer you will going to get? X to the power x cube plus 2 as it is, inside the bracket the power, that is x cube plus 2 divided by the base x into f dash of x. F dash of x is 1 plus log of f of x, that is x into what? G dash of x. G dash of x is 3x square plus 0. 3x square plus 0 is 3x square only. Plus, we'll write it here to differentiate this function. Again, I will apply the super trick, that is x plus 2 raised to x cube as it is
inside the bracket x cube divided by x plus 2 into f dash of x. F dash of x is 1 again, plus log of f of x, log of x plus 2 into g dash of x, that is 3x square is the final answer you are going to get.
Hope you guys have understood the concept clearly. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can also watch my previous videos.